applying the wax with this hand. I'm stretching the skin, so see when you apply. Okay. Remember, no more than 2 inches wide. Then using this side here. Okay. So like this, no more than 2 inches. Okay. Usually for arms, this $45, $55. It's 10 minutes. Look. Okay. Again here. 1, 2. Okay, remember, natural hard wax doesn't string, so like this. Okay. Always this hand here, 1. Okay, now remember the skin. No, let me do the other side. Oh. The skin has to be clean and dry.
First time you wax your arms?
One time.
It's normal to feel itchy a little bit, arm, but just cold water will close to.
Be sure that the skin is clean and dry.
The difference on the paint, this is beeswax, so beeswax doesn't stick to the skin, so you don't have that burning feeling, on the skin. It's gonna remove dead skin. Like he's gonna show the black wax that has activated charcoal that is sprayed to remove dead skin. For tattoos, barbers, they really like the black one, removes impurities, so.
That's great for tattoos.
Or anyone else tattoo?
I have tattoos.
Yeah.
What?
Okay, good.
What
Okay,
is
for
it?
the tattoo, what it does, the tattoo after gets a little old, so the beeswax will remove dead skin, so the tattoo will look brighter, and especially the black one.
What?
Yeah. We're gonna show that.
No, you can
Do
try.
your arm.
Yeah.
Candy, do your arm.
No way. Huh?
Do your arm so they can take out the dead skin.
She was asking if you can do bikini, Brazilian, Playboy. Yeah, it's with the wax you can do anything, man, woman, chest, back, everything. Resin. This is natural resin. The TTO is good for numbing a little bit for bikini and underarm, but they all work for bikini and underarm. And then the orange will be more for mature skin, drier skin, but
White.
You want to see it? Remember, when first time using a microwave, leave loose on top. Check your microwave minute by minute. Don't let all the wax become liquid when the center is liquid. The wax is ready to use. So remember, natural hard wax doesn't stream. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna collect liquid and solid. The consistency has to be firm, not too runny. You're gonna apply the wax one direction. Okay, pressure, applicator 45 degrees angle when you're applying the wax. Try to make a clean line. Let it dry, and then using the stick, you apply the wax. 1, 2, 3. Okay? In case you clean the skin with the same wax, go back, clean the skin. You don't need to use any other product to clean the skin. And then finish with one wax. Okay? Quick, easy, clean, and set. Okay. Any question for the one that are using the wax? Yeah.
Did you come to our class last time?
No.
Maybe not.
Oh, what a good job, Nicole. Yes, we got it. Yes.
Pass me tissue.
Solid, so we're gonna grab when they meet. Like this and clean here. That's how we need it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you make it too liquidy, it's gonna, you need to let it set.
Okay.
And then you just grab it here and then clean here. Because you want to use,
You wanted to be able
This.
to sit on the thing.
yeah, you want to keep reheating this jar. And if you clean it here, it's gonna be too messy.
Okay.
So like this. We take orders for almost every 2 years. One wax every 2 years. Because it's a lot of wax. Just one jar is a lot of wax. Yeah.
No expiration date.